Hello and good evening. You're learning with us on Clapping Go, and I hope you're having a good time because this is the place where we make the most difficult of English concepts as easy as a breeze. A word of advice for you. So before you begin watching this video, I hope you've seen our previous video on the uses of the words could, would and should. Because if you haven't, you might face slight difficulty in understanding what I'm about to tell you in this one. This video is all about the uses of the words should have, could have and would have. I think it's a good time to begin that lesson now, so here it goes. The phrase should have is used to express a regret or something that you could have done but in the past. Now think of all those times when you must have thought to yourself that this is what you should have said to your friend while arguing with him or her, or you probably should have studied harder to ace that mathematics test. Or perhaps you should have gone to bed earlier to be able to wake up early the next morning. In all of these cases, we are talking about something that we could have done, but we didn't do it. For instance, it probably would have been a good idea to study more for that mathematics test. However, I didn't, and that is why I could not score that well. In this case, I am expressing a regret, and I'm thinking to myself, I should have studied harder for that mathematics test. Likewise in the other two situations as well. Let me tell you more about how to use the phrases could have. Now again, drawing from the basic principle of using could to express an ability, could have is also used to express an ability, something that we could have done in the past, something which was probably a good idea. However, we didn't do it. For example, I could have stayed at the party longer, but I came back home early because I had to write the script for this video. That's not true in real life because I don't party. And in any case, the pandemic is not a very good idea to go out partying. You must stay home and stay safe. But in any case, I hope you get the point here. The point is that I had the ability to stay late at the party last night, but I decided not to. In this case, in the case of could have, we are always choosing to not do something despite knowing that we have the ability to do it. Let me give you another example. I could have gone out swimming in the morning today, but I was feeling cold. So in this case, it was an option to go swimming in the morning. It was a good idea and I could have done it. I had the ability to. However, I chose not to. Now let's move to the word would have. Much in the same way, would have is always related to a want or a desire. Now don't bring in the principle of tenses here because that might confuse you a little. Just understand this in isolation. Would have is always about a want or a desire. For example, I would have called you but I lost your number. In this case, I had the desire to call you. I had the ability to call you, but I had lost your number and therefore I could not call you. In the same way, I would have gone and met her, but I didn't know she was in town. Now I had the desire to go and meet this person. I really wanted to, but I could not because I did not know that she was in town. In both of these cases, I am emphasizing a want or a desire. That is, it comes from within whether I want to do something or not. So there you go now. I've clarified your concepts of should have, could have and would have. Now like always, you must make few sentences with these. Post them in the comments below and we will get back to you whether they're correct or not. And additionally, you must also tell us if there's any other topic that you would like to cover. And in case you have any other doubts, do reach out to us on our social media handles. And it goes without saying that you must like, share and subscribe our social media pages. Like our YouTube channel, and in case you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Till then, happy learning, see ya, and good night. Stay home, stay safe.